into this French chateau-style home designed by renowned architect Jack Arnold and set on 3 acres in the heart of the Brandywine Valley, surrounded by preserved open space. Let's take a look inside. As we enter the home, you notice the beautiful design details, the archways, the expansive windows, and the inlaid hardwood floors throughout. Passing through the mirrored French doors, we enter the formal dining room, which impresses with its beamed ceiling, large picture window, and exquisite wallpaper. From the dining room, you enter the gorgeous kitchen, which was renovated in 2016 and features beautiful millwork, a farmhouse sink, Bosch and Sub-Zero appliances, and quartz counters with gas cooking. The kitchen opens to the cathedral-style family room, featuring exposed beams, skylights, built-in bookcases, a gas fireplace, herringbone hardwood floors, and 4 new French doors which open onto front and rear patios. From the living room, we pass the stairs that lead to the guest suite and enter the skylit breakfast room, which leads to the formal sitting room. The formal sitting room is augmented by a stately, Gothic-style stone fireplace. From the foyer, we pass the powder room and enter the master suite, which features a private patio. On the second floor, we find 2 generous-sized bedrooms with beautiful hardwood floors that are joined by a renovated Jack and Jill bath. The second bedroom features a cathedral ceiling with skylights, 2 walk-in closets, and access to a bonus room with a lovely picture window and built-in bookcases. Passing through the foyer, the second floor is completed with a 4th bedroom, which features an ensuite bathroom and stairs to the main level. The large lower-level living area is perfect for relaxing or entertaining and features silk shantung wallpaper, a built-in kitchenette, and full bath. The lower level also features a fitness studio and office, which can be used as a yoga room. Out back, you'll enjoy the serenity of the patio, the pergola, and the manicured gardens. In 2020, the cedar shake and copper roof was replaced. The stucco was inspected and freshly painted. The garage doors were replaced. And last year, 3 of the 4 train, air conditioning, and heating units were replaced as well. This gracious home is an oasis and captures the spirit of why the Brandywine Valley is known as Chateau Country.